Hey everybody, it's Shark Scrapper here. Well, I'm in my office, obviously not scrapping. I just recently got done watching a video by my friend Ginger's Magnets, who nominated me to do the 40 question challenge. Now I know there's some folks that don't want to play, but I'm thinking, hey, why not? Come on, let's have some fun. Besides, we get to know a little bit about each other. Of course, we're going to have to do this Shark Scrapper style. So let's dive in and have some fun with this. Do I like blue cheese?
And the answer is no, no, and no.
Number 2, Coke or Pepsi?
Some of you know the answer to this one already. I am a Coca-Cola person. I'll drink Pepsi if I have to, but I'm a Coca-Cola person. My favorite is called Coke Life. Comes in the green cans. They use stevia for most of the sweeteners, so it's got a few less calories. But you still got to be careful. Everything in moderation, right? The other thing I like about Coca-Cola products is that some of these old bottles and things like that can actually sell pretty good. So there's some antique-y old-time value to some of the Coke products.
Number 3, am I in a relationship?
That's a resounding yes. I am married to the beautiful, wonderful Kelly Merrill, who taught me what love really means. After she retired from the Navy, she went to culinary school and is now Chef Kelly.
Number 4, vodka, whiskey, or tequila?
Well, I don't drink alcohol anymore. I gave it up when Kelly was battling cancer. But back when I was drinking, I was a gin guy. Now, my go-to was Bombay Sapphire. Makes a wonderful martini. And, of course, you always have to be careful to battle yellow fever, so you need to have that quinine. And the best way to get that is a gin and tonic. And Beefeater certainly was the go-to for a nice, refreshing gin and tonic. And when it was time to splurge on a little something different, man, I tell you what, I could enjoy some Boodles or some Hendricks or some Plymouth. All very good gin.
Number 5, hot dogs or cheeseburgers?
I'll take a cheeseburger any day over a hot dog. And don't give me any of that double, triple gluttony stuff. Just give me a good thick patty, medium rare, with cheese, tomato, lettuce, mayo, a little ketchup. Keep the onions. Geez, if you need to put an onion on a hamburger, you're using the wrong beef. And a couple pickles on the side.
Number 6, favorite food?
Good old-fashioned steak. And if you want me to get detailed, a filet mignon, medium rare. You want to throw a lobster on there? I'm not going to argue with you.
Number 7, what do I drink in the morning?
Straight up black coffee. Doesn't have to be fancy. Good old-fashioned diner coffee works for me. But if I do have to get fancy, café au lait, s'il vous plaît.
Number 8, can I do 100 push-ups?
Well, this guy could. I mean, let's face it, at the Naval Academy, I was 150 pounds of twisted steel and sex appeal. Let's find out if we still can. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Yeah, no, we're not going to get there.
Number 9, favorite season?
Hands down, without a doubt, it's Christmas. The girl and I just love Christmas. Oh, and Kelly, my wife, she likes Christmas too.
Number 10, favorite hobby?
Okay, well, obviously the answer is scrapping, but throughout my lifetime, I have had some wonderful hobbies. I used to brew my own beer. Home brewing was a lot of fun. I used to do snow skiing, beautiful places up in the mountains. I used to love scuba diving. Oh man, I spent so much time underwater. And I used to have aquariums frequently, on and off throughout my entire life. And back before the Navy, I'd replaced a lot of body parts. I used to love running. I ran the Big Sur Marathon, Marine Corps Marathon. I just used to love running.
Number 11, tattoos.
And survey says no tattoos.
Number 12, do I wear glasses?
No, these are bionic eyes, thanks to the Navy.
Number 13, phobias.
I haven't really been afraid of much in life, and what I was afraid of, well, my experiences in the Navy kind of taught me to overcome those. The one thing I still worry about is, if I'm called on, will I be ready?
Number 14, nicknames.
Shovelhead. I don't know why, just is.
Number 15, favorite candy.
Kit Kat all day, although Snickers is a close second.
Number 16, do I believe in ghosts?
Yes, of course as a kid I always believed in them, but then we moved to this house, built in 1900, and we had a ghost. Yeah, it was a pretty nice ghost, but it was still a ghost, so yeah, I'm an absolute believer.
Number 17, biggest downfall.
I'm just too naive. I tend to believe people and trust people and not see the reality of what's going on sometimes. So, yeah, I've had to pull the knife out of my back more than once.
Rain or snow? Number 19, piercings.
Not intentionally.
Number 20, age.
Well, I'm going to let you figure that out, but here's 3 classics that came out the year I was born.
Number 21, French fries or onion rings.
Gave this one away a little earlier. Oh, and by the way, I like them with ketchup or mayo. Either one.
Do I have any kids?
Yes, that's my daughter Jessica there on the right. She's a doctor of veterinary. She works on large animals in Texas. And on the left is my son Josh. That was his graduation from boot camp. He was a Navy corpsman for a couple tours and now is a civilian medical technician.
Favorite color?
Any shade of blue.
24, can I sing?
Not only can I sing, but I have won money at karaoke contests.
Can I whistle? 26, where was I born?
Right there.
Do I have any siblings?
An older brother and 2 sisters.
28, can I cook?
Did I mention my wife was a chef before, earlier? Anyway, yeah, I can, but not nearly as good as her.
Can I swim?
I love swimming. It was also kind of sort of a requirement.
30, am I religious?
I have an issue with the hypocrisy of organized religion, but I absolutely believe in God.
31, shower or bath?
Shower, especially if it's an awesome shower like one of these.
Big city or nature?
Nature. The mountains are okay, but I infinitely prefer a beautiful beach, a rocky coast, something like that.
33, am I a good friend?
I believe I am. Growing up in a Navy family and being in the Navy myself, I learned to make friends quickly, and many of those people are still my friends today.
Broken bones?
Well, in addition to these guys, I broke my pinky in high school and my jaw was broken and put back together.
How many TVs do I own?
3 that we watch, 1 that's in standby, and there's a couple in the garage waiting to get scrapped out.
Worst pain ever.
Waking up while they're still operating on you. Just don't do it. It's not any fun. Hey everybody, if you want to enter to be a winner in my 2,000 subscriber thank you giveaway. All you need to do is email me your snail mail address. You can find my email in the About tab. This is going to be a great giveaway. First prize is that ½ ounce, the Great Hammerhead silver coin from the Perth Mint. And I'm going to tell you between now and the 19th of October, which is my 1-year channel anniversary, when we're going to have the drawing, what second and third prize are going to be. So stay tuned and keep coming back so you can figure out the rest of the goodies that we're going to be giving away.
Do I like to dance?
Hey, put me in a dark room with a bunch of flashing lights so nobody can tell who is who and what I'm doing, and I'll dance with the best of them.
Do I like camping?
Now, when I was younger, I used to love going camping like this. You know, just backpack in and go as remote as far back as you can. Nowadays, I kind of think I'm something more like this.
39. Am I weird?
Okay, well, I'm a scrapper, so that kind of makes me weird in a certain way anyway, but I don't know. What's weird?
And 40, I get to pick 6 friends to take the challenge.
Okay, well, I knock out some more push-ups here. I could get myself back up to 100 push-ups. That's embarrassing. I'm going to go ahead and nominate Snobby Scrap Picker. Okay, Snobby, I know you said you didn't want to, but come on, man, let's have some fun here. We're also going to nominate Romantic, Scrapping Irish, E-Waste Mike, Raffle Scrapper, and Cruiser Mac. Remember, if you want to be entered in the Shark Scrapper 2,000 subscriber thank you giveaway, all you need to do is email me your snail mail address before midnight Eastern Time US on the 19th of October. Why the 19th of October? Well, because that's my 1-year anniversary on YouTube. If you've already sent me your snail mail address, please send it again. That way I know for sure that you want to be entered in this giveaway. First prize is going to be this Great Hammerhead Shark ½ ounce, 0.999 silver round from the Perth Mint dated 2015. Second and third prize are coming together, and I'll reveal what those are in future videos. It's easy, it's free, it's my way of saying thank you to all of you who have helped to make the Shark Scrapping channel a success.